Michael Coates.
Mostly cloudy conditions tonight, no surprises. We're waiting for our next round of snow to start creeping across the region. Later on this evening into the overnight hours through your Thursday, mainly cloudy conditions in Idaho Falls, but still pretty chilly right now into the upper teens and lower 20s. We're pushing around 30 for Pocatello, but we're 22 for Idaho Falls, and winds out of the west-northwest at 3 miles an hour. So clouds on the increase here for this evening with scattered snow showers on the move. 1 to 3 inches possible for the overnight hours, and then more snow returns late Thursday. And here comes the first wave of snow. It's going to come in series of waves here. It's not going to be one big storm. We're just going to get passing snow showers here for the rest of the work week heading into the weekend. So right now on First Alert Viper radar, we're slowly starting to saturate the atmosphere, bringing in snow showers across the Magic Valley, getting into the lower plain right now. We're starting to pick up a few flakes around I-86 there and the I-84 interchange, slowly making its way into Power County as we speak. Also been seeing some light scattered flurries getting into Island Park, Ashton, and just to the west of St. Anthony and Rexburg right now, but nothing significant yet. It's going to take a few hours for us to really start to see that scattered snow take hold across the region. And by 8 o'clock tonight, we'll start to see more of these snow showers picking up, especially into the mountains. The westward-facing slopes there east of the plain looking to really benefit here. This is 8 o'clock tonight on the Vipercast as we go into the overnight hours. Snow showers enveloping central and eastern Idaho, getting into western Wyoming. And tomorrow morning early on, we actually start to see the snow tapering off across the desert, and then more of the heavy snow showers getting around the Wyoming border. That's tomorrow around 6 a.m. Let's go to around the afternoon hours. I'm not looking for a ton of snow here across the Snake River Plain for tomorrow, but tomorrow night there's another push of snow coming in here from the west. So it looks like we're going to get our first good push of snow tonight, then again Thursday night, continuing into Friday morning. Friday morning commuters could have a rough drive on their hand, especially on I-15 and Highway 20 across the valley as we get into early Friday morning. More scattered flurries and snow showers to get us into Friday evening around dinner time through 6 o'clock. So the bottom line of my forecast here is we're looking to see scattered snow showers continuing all the way through into Friday and a bit of the weekend. Over the next couple of days, 1 to 3 inches in the plain, 2 to 4 inches in Jackson. Still looking about an inch or less in Salmon and Chouse in town. Sawtooth at 2 to 5 inches, and the Tetons of western Wyoming and the eastern mountains of Idaho 4 to 8 inches. Winter weather advisories have been posted. No surprise here, but nothing for the valley because this is again mostly a mountain snow event. Lows tonight back into the mid to lower 20s for Idaho Falls, 26 for the high tomorrow, 33 in Pocatello. Chalice here at 26 with a low of 18 tonight, 28 in Salmon, 26 for Rexburg, mid-20s in St. Anthony and Island Park, 24 in Jackson, and the mid-20s around Soda Springs, the upper 20s around the Ladd, and the lower 20s for the overnight low. 8-day forecast, windy conditions along with the blowing and drifting snow continuing into Friday. Saturday and Sunday, slight chance of snow in the forecast here. We may pick up another ½ inch on Saturday morning into Idaho Falls. The weekend's looking especially messy here, getting into also next week as with another round of snow pushes into Monday and Tuesday. Pocatello, we're going to be right on the edge of freezing temperatures, mid-30s, to carry us into the rest of the week heading into the weekend. Just above the freezing mark for Friday, and we'll be into the 36-degree range for Saturday afternoon with a chance of snow all weekend long. Salmon, central Idaho, you're bringing temperatures here upper 20s, lower 30s, accumulating snow as we head into the weekend as well. Off and on snow showers getting into next week for Monday and Tuesday. Jackson, this is going to be great news for the ski resorts, of course. More powder on the way. Mid-20s here for Thursday and Friday. And of course, we're going to have some wind on the slopes, but it looks like the worst wind will be in the Snake River Plain. But I suspect the weather will actually be encouraging folks to head up into the high country, especially for Island Park. Snow machines are just going to love this fresh powder.
Oh, yeah.
And then getting into the ski resorts. Even the low elevation resorts looking to bring in some powder.
Kelly and Pebble.
Kelly and Pebble,
Good.
and also Pomerel's getting some great snow right now.
Good.
Oh, they often do.
We're happy for them.
Yeah, thank you very much, Michael.
You know, mugshots are not known to be very flattering. When we come back, you're going to find out about one criminal who didn't